Struggling with Coursera quizzes? Missing the submit button or unsure about multiple choice checkboxes? Here's exactly how to ace them. We'll walk through finding the quiz, answering questions correctly, and submitting with the honor code. Let's go step by step. So the first thing you want to do is head over to Coursera and log into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look for your profile icon or your name in the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. From the drop-down menu, you'll see an option that says My Learning. Click on that, and it will take you to a dashboard showing all the courses you're currently taking. Now, find the specific course you need to work on and click on it. This will open up the course homepage. You'll see a list of weeks or modules on the left-hand side. Scroll through until you find the module that contains your quiz. It'll usually be labeled something like Graded Quiz or Practice Quiz. Click on that quiz title. You should now see a screen with a big blue button that says Start Assignment or Start Quiz. Go ahead and click that. This might take a moment to load, so just be patient. All right, you're in. Now you're looking at the actual quiz questions. And here's the really important part. Pay close attention to the type of question you're answering. Some questions use checkboxes, which are square icons. When you see a checkbox, that means you need to select multiple correct answers. Read the instructions carefully, because if you only pick one, you might lose points. Other questions use multiple choice buttons, which are usually round radio buttons. With these, you can only select one answer. So take a deep breath, read each question thoroughly, and make your selection. Once you've answered all the questions, it's time to submit. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. You'll see a checkbox that says something like, I have read and agree to the honor code. Check that box. If it asks you to type your name as a digital signature, go ahead and do that. Then click the Submit Quiz button. Now, here's where things get interesting. After you submit, Coursera will typically show you your results immediately. You'll see your score, and you can usually review which questions you got right or wrong. Don't panic if you didn't do as well as you hoped. Many courses allow you to retake quizzes. Look for a retake button or see if you have multiple attempts available. This is a great way to learn from your mistakes and improve your score. Once you're happy with your grade, you can check the overall grading section of your course to see how this quiz affects your total progress. You might also see feedback from instructors or automated explanations for the correct answers. Take a moment to read through that feedback. It's there to help you. After you've completed the quiz, you can navigate to the next module or week in your course. Coursera makes this easy with a Next button or a sidebar menu. Keep an eye on your overall progress bar at the top of the page. That bar fills up as you complete quizzes, assignments, and videos. Here are a few final tips to wrap things up. Always double-check your answers before submitting. Read each question twice. And if you're unsure about something, use the process of elimination. Remove the answers you know are wrong first. And that's it. You're now ready to confidently tackle any quiz on Coursera. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your learning journey.